Let's learn 5 idioms associated with skating. Firstly, as cold as ice. This means unfriendly or very cold. For example, those coppers are as cold as ice. Break the ice. This means to do something to reduce the tension or awkwardness. For example, let's kick off our team building day by breaking the ice with some fun games. Get one's skates on. Means to hurry up, be quick, and stop procrastinating. Give me that. Get your skates on and start revising. The exam is tomorrow. Put something on ice. Means to delay or postpone something. We'll put the diet on ice until Monday. And finally, skate on thin ice. Means being in a risky situation. You're skating on thin ice. Next time, you're off. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more idioms and expressions.